Good morning, students. Again, we are back with the GK class. As we have completed three topics My India, Birds and Animal Kingdom, as science, and now its personalities, where you have to read two subtopics Chanakya and famous people. So, Chanakya is page number 16. We will go to page number 16 then. Chanakya is considered as a pioneer in the field of economics and political science in India. Chanakya was a professor at the University of Takshashila, located in the present day Pakistan, and was an expert in commerce, warfare, economics, etc. Chanakya is also known by the name of Kautilya and Vishnugupta. He managed the first Mauryan emperor Chandragupta's rise to power at a young age and is widely credited for having played an important role in the establishment of the Mauryan Empire, the first empire to rule most of the Indian subcontinent. Two books are attributed to Chanakya Arthashastra and Chanakya Niti, also known as Niti Shastra. The Arthashastra discusses monetary and fiscal policies, international relations, war strategies, and also outlines the duties of a ruler. Chanakya Niti is a treatise on the ideal way of life and shows Chanakya's deep study of the Indian way of life. Chanakya also developed Niti Sutras that tell people how they should behave. Here are few of his great lines. A man is great by deeds, but deeds not by birth. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. Third one, success is no accident. It results from well thought actions aligned with focused vision. When there are many options, select the work which has sustainable value. Then, next one should weigh one's capacity before starting a work. A well planned work produces good results. Goddess Lakshmi abandons them who start a work without examining the opportunities. Fearless perseverance and patience are the key attributes of any leader. A wicked wife, a false friend, a saucy servant begets misery, as living in a house with a serpent in it begets death surely. नाउ एट द एंड कोई भी काम शुरू करने के पहले 3 सवाल अपने आप से पूछो। मैं ऐसा क्यों करने जा रहा हूँ? इसका क्या परिणाम होगा? क्या मैं सफल रहूँगा? सो दिस आर द वर्ड्स और information as well as few great lines of Chanakya. Now, going towards page number 50, famous people that are personalities. So, read the clues about these prominent people and their famous words to identify them. Choose the correct option to fill in their names. First one, she was the daughter of the wealthy and aristocratic nationalist leader Motilal Nehru and sister of the first Prime Minister of independent India Jawaharlal Nehru. Her famous words were, "The more we sweat in peace, the less we bleed in war." So that is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Second one, he was an American printer, publisher, author, inventor, scientist, and diplomat. He made important contributions to science and is remembered for his wisdom and writing style. His famous words were, "Never leave till tomorrow that which you can do today." So that personality's name is Benjamin Franklin. Third, best known as a poet of nature, he served as Great Britain's poet laureate from 1843 until his death. His lyrical ballads, published in 1798, written with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, helped launch the Romantic movement in English literature. His famous words were, "The child is the father of man." So, personality's name is William Wordsworth. Fourth is a poet, novelist, playwright, painter, and musician. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1930 for his collection of poetry Gitanjali. His famous words were, "You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water." So, name is Rabindranath Tagore. Fifth one, his theories of relativity led to new search regarding the theories of time, space, matter, energy, and gravity. His famous words were, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution." So, name is Albert Einstein. So, I am covering only two topics today.